Hi, this is Sam Schneider recording my week 5 video assignment. I'm recording from my iPhone because apparently my computer is not allowing my video to be accessed. And for once, I'm submitting something early. So that has been new for me in the first few weeks of this class. So talking about two standards first that are strengths of mine would definitely be standard 1, which is all around building shared vision. In order to create successful students, and specifically a vision of learning. A lot of the work I've done as an academic support partner for Denver Public Schools has been around making sure that any work I do with school leaders and teachers is shared work, where I'm not coming in as a district professional and adding to the things they need to do, but instead augmenting the systems they have in place to help them reach their goals faster. And all of that is done in a thing I call a partner service agreement, which is all about consensus building and continual revision of goals and continual revisions of what those supports look like, and lots of progress monitoring. Another standard I saw as a strength was around standard 2, around making sure that school culture and instructional programs promote lots of student learning and staff professional growth. Typically, when I'm working with schools in those partner service agreements, my number one role is to build capacity of either school leaders or build capacity of teacher leaders to implement some sort of data program or implement some sort of classroom observation system, anything like that. So it definitely falls in line with standard 2. Then as far as standards that I definitely think I need to grow in, one would be standard 4. This one is all about really responding to community interests and mobilizing different kinds of community resources. Given the nature of my job as mostly an instructional leader and one that's not situated in one school community but in 7 or 8, it makes it really, really challenging to push community interests, and so I think I need to go out of my way to do more to kind of build those relationships with community partners. Even if that means focusing on 1 out of my 8 schools, I need to do that. So that's definitely an area of growth. And it's kind of similar to kind of the community-based standard of standard 6, which is another area I need to grow. And this is all about different kinds of advocacy and action, politically, socially, anything like that. I think, given our current political climate, there's definitely a high call for everyone who has a strong stance, for everyone who needs to make something happen regarding equity, that they answer that call to the fullest extent. And I definitely think I can answer that call a lot better, whether it's from political organizing or advocacy, anything along those lines. So those are my 2 strengths and my 2 weaknesses.